Ardha Matsyendrasana is one of the fantastic asana for someone who has digestion issues. So digestion is regulated by the chakra called Manipura. Manipura chakra is the third chakra from the lower side of the spine, and it handles all the maintenance job within the system. And Ardha Matsyendrasana is one of the fantastic asana to regulate Manipur chakra and hence improves digestion and blood flow within the system. Let's look at how we do Ardha Matsyendrasana.